We have a fun one today. This is a 1962 Thunderbird with a Sport Roadster package that would include the wire wheels, this tonneau cover that is removable. There's a back seat underneath there, 390 motor, loaded with unique features. We'll go over those in a minute. Ground up restored, only 540 miles since it's been done. Even underneath, the car is beautiful. It has factory air conditioning too. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Or scan the QR code and it'll bring you right to this car. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, look at the bullet shape. It's just so cool how it just comes to a point here. I mean, it looks like a rocket ship is what it looks like. You have this hood scoop on the hood. Just a very sporty car. And the workmanship's excellent. This hood is straight. It's aligned properly, fits perfectly square and flush. All these lines look great. The fender's in mint condition. All the way down here at the bottom, even under the bottom, is smooth, clean paint. Lines up beautifully. Let's see how it opens. I love how the door handle is part of the molding. Opens up easily. The jambs are done real nicely. Shuts like a new car. Quarter panels are clean. Look at the round tail lights. They were supposed to look like thrusters. It was all about rocket ships back at that time. This actually opens this way. We'll demonstrate it. And the top folds into here. So it doesn't open like a normal trunk. It opens the opposite way. This side just as clean. Look at the quarter panels all the way down at the bottom. And the whole trunk lid is straight. All nice and clean. You have fender skirts. There is a touch-up right on the edge here. Beautiful glass finish, Corinthian white, the original color. This side opens up real nicely too. I didn't quite do it hard enough. Shuts like a new car. But it's all smooth, all down here. Smooth, clean, straight, very polished and reflective. If this car was black, it would be a mirror. It's just because it's white. They still went the extra and they made it like glass. The chrome is beautiful. Look at all the chrome, the grille, the bumper, the emblems, big headlight bezels. Everything up here is like a 7 out of 10. All looks great. All the stainless trim looks like it's polished. You have the molding down the middle of the door too. That looks like chrome. The three pieces here, all that's beautiful shape. The windshield is crystal clear. Got the correct antenna. All this stainless is polished. The convertible top works with this. This does not get in the way of the top at all. You can drive it with this, top up or down. We will lift this off, a couple thumb screws. It weighs nothing. You take that off and you have the full back seat. So we'll get into that in a little bit. All the chrome back here is in beautiful shape as well, like up in the front. And then it's sitting on the Kelsey Hayes style wire wheels with the spinner hubcaps, Hankook radial tires. Just look at the shape, look at the design. I hope this car won awards for its design back in the day because it's really cool, it's unique. Let's open it up. I got a lot more to show you. So like I said, the tonneau cover is really light. It lifts right off. There's two wing nuts and it literally takes a few seconds to remove. It is a lot easier with two people. One person can't do it. So this is pretty cool in here. First of all, this opens up all with one switch, and then this lid would actually fold down when it comes down. And the convertible top all comes out of here. This is probably the nicest compartment I've seen on one of these retractable top cars. First of all the metal's painted. Look at the bottom of the trunk lid, and this lid's all painted. All the iron work on the top frame's painted. All the rubber, it was replaced. The white convertible top's in great shape. There's pictures on our website. Has the complete liner kit inside. Something I really like, they actually paid for a 5th wire wheel. That means they weren't cutting corners. And then if you see all these relays, those are all modern relays. It's from Thunderbird Ranch. It's a modern conversion kit compared to the old relays. This is very, very reliable. Uh, and then you can see the rams. There's 4 of them. Everything looks new. The hoses, the rams here, all the lines and fittings and bushings. So this convertible top should just work, effortlessly. And it's pretty cool putting this up and down. People like watching it. It's like a Transformers car. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as videos are posted. Jambs are done very nicely. Weather strips are replaced. Door panels are in excellent shape. They got nice design, nice character. Has the brushed trim in the middle with some shiny trim. See all the power window switches there and the power top switch. Those are in great shape. The dash pad is in really nice shape. I'm sure that's been replaced. But look at the instrument panel. Look at the round gauges and knobs. Isn't that just cool? 548 miles since it's been restored. And no, the steering wheel's not broken. It swings out of the way. Original radio. Because it's an air conditioning car, it has this big vent. A non-air car wouldn't have that. All this is clean, not scraped or beat up. Has the grab handle. I think that's part of the Roadster package. But again, everything's nice, clean. The kick panels are real nice. The carpets are high quality carpet with the reproduction mats. Center console and ashtray. All good. Has some touch-up paint. Has an owner's manual. A driver's seat. Got a little crack right there. It's sunken in just a little bit. And that might be because it's such a big wheel. It just gives you a little more room. And then in back, we've also got seat belts. You got the nice carpet and floor mats. Seat belts in the back seat as well. All the upholstery, side panels is all really good. I love the red with the white exterior. If it was a black interior, it wouldn't be as impressive to me. So the visors have been replaced and all the trim's real nice. The steering wheel itself is excellent. Does have one chip here. But look at all the chrome's beautiful. And yeah, when you get out, you swing it out of the way to get out. That's one of the really cool features. These cars cost more to restore than like a Mustang or even a Chevelle or Camaro. And a lot of people cut corners. This one, they went the extra. I can just tell looking down into nooks and crannies and nuts and bolts and wires and weather strips. They did a nice job. 390 motor, making 300 horsepower. It's all stock. Air cleaner, Thunderbird valve covers, the manifolds. Even the wires are run nicely. Choke tube has got the cloth on it. Look at the firewall and the clips and all the screws and bolts and hinges. Look how nice and tidy everything is. The rubber boot. The washer fluid bag for the squirters. Nice big battery with the disconnect switch. Then up here you got the rubber flap and everything's just clean and proper, and the shroud and all the way it should be. The expansion tank, factory air conditioning, factory power steering. Again, all nice, clean factory spot welds, power brakes. Under the hood's painted and has the hood insulation. So aside from being very clean, neat, and orderly, that's a 390 motor making 300 horsepower, and we got power steering, power brakes, and factory air. It makes a great cruiser. Michael's going to demonstrate the car for you, and we'll see you in a few minutes. So I'm going to put the lid down. It's just one switch. You can even see the screws turning. It actually screws down tight to the car. What's nice about this one, it has power windows too. So especially when the lid's on back, you can put all the windows up and down, all right here from the driver's seat. We'll probably be posting a video of the top, fully coming up and down and functioning, but should have it running for that. And I'm not going to have it running in here while we're working. Underneath the car is as nice as that motor compartment. All the floors look to be in really nice shape, and I just see a lot of fresh parts. The steering, suspension, a lot of fresh components. It has sway bars front and back. I'm pretty sure they were added. At least the back one was added. The brakes, we did some adjustment on the brakes. The lines, the e-brake cables, all that looks fresh. The dual exhaust looks fresh. It looks like factory style. It has two round mufflers towards the back there. You look up at the motor, it's clean. The Cruise-O-Matic transmission's clean. In back, the rear end has 3.0 ratio gears. Just a nice cruising car. Air conditioned, comfortable, with power accessories. Wonderful car. Someone will really enjoy this one. Oh, the fuel tank, the fuel system looks like that's been replaced as well. So go to volocars.com. This is what it looks like without the lid on it. So you have the normal convertible, you put that on, and you got a Batmobile, Sport Roadster. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get your 62 Thunderbird delivered home. And if you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.